Hello everyone, and welcome back to Asset Informants. Are you looking for life-changing finance advice that will help you make better financial decisions? We've got you covered. In this video, we'll be exploring 8 pieces of personal finance advice that can truly transform your finances and your life. From budgeting and saving to managing debt and investing, these pieces of advice are sure to set you on the right path to financial freedom. Watch to the end to learn more about the power of sound financial advice and how it can help you reach your financial goals. Before we get started though, please like, comment and subscribe so as to not miss any of our future videos. Number 1. You are never too young or too old to start saving. Saving is a critical component of personal finance and should be a priority in your budget. Saving money is essential for having a secure financial future, no matter your age. It's never too early to start setting money aside, and even if you are in your later years, there are still saving strategies that you can use. The key to successful saving is to start small and build up over time. If you are younger, put aside a portion of your earnings each month, even if it's just a small amount. Aim to save at least 10% of your income each month, and consider increasing that amount over time as your income grows. Even if you're older and have limited resources, you can still save by finding ways to reduce your expenses, like making meals at home or shopping for cheaper brands. Saving money is one of the best ways to ensure your financial stability and security for the future. No matter how old you are, it's never too late to start saving and making smart decisions with your money. With the right personal advice and dedication, you can make sure that you have a comfortable retirement. Number 2. Insurance. Having proper insurance is essential to protecting yourself from potential financial disaster. Even if you already have a steady income and your finances are in order, a serious accident or illness could still set you back. This is why it's important to consider getting the right kind of personal advice on the type of insurance that's best for you and your family. The most basic types of insurance you should consider are health, auto, home, life, and disability. Health insurance is necessary to help cover medical costs and often offers other benefits such as prescription drug coverage and preventive care. Auto insurance protects you financially if you cause an accident, and home insurance helps protect your property. Life insurance is important to help provide for your loved ones in the event of your death. And disability insurance provides an income stream in the event of an accident or illness that leaves you unable to work. Each type of insurance can be complex and has many different options, so it's important to consult with an expert who can guide you through the process. Additionally, there are certain states that require certain types of insurance, so make sure you're aware of any local regulations. With the right personal advice and the right coverage, you can rest assured that you'll be protected no matter what happens. Number 3. Automate your finances. One of the best pieces of personal advice when it comes to managing your money is to automate your finances. Automation takes the stress and worries out of ensuring that you pay your bills on time and helps you stay organized. By automating your finances, you're also able to track your spending and budgets more effectively. To automate your finances, start by setting up an automatic savings plan. This way, money is deducted from your paycheck and deposited into a savings account each month. You can also set up automated payments for all of your bills, so you don't have to worry about forgetting or missing any payments. Automating your finances also helps you avoid late fees. Many banks offer auto-pay options that allow you to make payments on time without having to remember to do it manually. This can help you save money in the long run by avoiding those pesky late fees. Finally, automating your finances can help you keep on track with your long-term financial goals. By setting up automatic transfers to a dedicated retirement account or other investments, you can rest assured that you are actively contributing towards your financial future. By taking the time to automate your finances, you will be better equipped to handle your financial affairs with ease. Automation can be an invaluable tool in helping you reach your financial goals and make the most of your hard-earned money. Number 4, avoid impulse spending. This personal advice should be at the top of your list when it comes to personal finance. Impulse spending can quickly get out of hand and cause more financial hardship than good. It's important to have a plan for your money and stick to it. Make sure you have an emergency fund and make sure to save for retirement and other important goals. When you're out shopping, always check in with yourself before buying something. Ask yourself if you really need it or if it's just something you want. The power of the moment may tell you that you need it, but if you wait and come back to the thought later, you will realize it was an impulse purchase. In addition, never use credit cards to buy things impulsively. It's too easy to run up a debt that will take months or years to pay off. Not only will you be paying interest on the item, but you could also be paying late fees and other charges. This can quickly add up and cause financial stress. Finally, take the time to compare prices online before making a purchase. There are plenty of comparison sites that allow you to find the best deals on whatever it is that you're looking for to buy. By taking the time to do your research, you will save money and avoid impulse spending. Number 5, save for retirement now. Retirement may seem far away, but it is important to start saving for it now. The earlier you begin, the more time you have for your savings to grow. Retirement planning is a personal matter that requires a tailored approach to meet your specific goals and needs. Start by determining how much you'll need to save each month to reach your retirement goals, and consider starting a 401k or IRA to help you save. You may also want to consider working with a financial advisor to create a comprehensive retirement plan that takes into account your current and future expenses, as well as your goals and risk tolerance. Number 6, have an emergency fund. One of the most important pieces of personal advice you can receive is to have an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a financial cushion that can be used in the event of an unexpected expense or loss of income. It can help you stay afloat during times of financial hardship and prevent you from going into debt. To get started, set a goal for how much money you want to save, then create a budget and start setting aside a portion of your income each month to reach that goal. You should aim to have at least 3 months' worth of expenses saved in an emergency fund, but more is even better. Once you reach that goal, make sure to replenish the funds if you dip into it. This way, you'll always have enough money on hand when emergencies arise. Number 7, tax planning. Tax planning is an important aspect of personal finance, and seeking out personal advice is essential for making sure you get the most out of your tax return. You need to be aware of any deductions or credits that you may be eligible for and take advantage of them to save money. Tax planning also includes understanding the impact of tax withholding from your paycheck, capital gains from investments, and knowing the best time to sell investments in order to limit the taxes due. If you are self-employed or run a small business, tax planning becomes even more important. Investing in a retirement plan can help you save on taxes, while at the same time helping you prepare for retirement. If you hire employees, understanding payroll taxes and how they impact your business is also critical. To make sure you're getting the most out of your tax return and paying the least amount of tax as possible, it's always best to seek out personal advice from a qualified financial planner or accountant. They can provide you with strategies that will help minimize your taxes and maximize your savings. Number 8, avoiding scams. One of the most important pieces of personal advice that everyone should follow is to be aware of the potential risks associated with financial scams. Scams are designed to target people who are unaware of the consequences or are desperate to make money quickly. It is important to remember that if something sounds too good to be true, it usually is. It's essential to always do your research before entering any sort of financial agreements or investment opportunity. This means double-checking the company's background, as well as reading online reviews or talking to someone who has experience in the industry. Additionally, never give out any personal information such as bank account numbers, social security numbers, or passwords to anyone over the internet. If you feel like you've been a victim of a scam, be sure to contact your local authorities and financial institution immediately. In conclusion, by following these principles of personal finance, you can take control of your finances, achieve financial stability and independence, and secure your financial future. Remember, personal finance is a journey, and it's important to be patient and consistent in your efforts. Keep learning and seeking out new information and resources, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts on the video, or share with us any personal finance tips or advice that have helped you on your financial journey. If you found this video useful, please share it with your friends and family, and help spread the word about the importance of personal finance and financial literacy. The more people understand and prioritize their finances, the more secure and successful we'll all be. So take control of your finances today, and let's start building a brighter financial future together.